Good morning, everyone. This is one day of wonderful morning. Start with most of the days. What we have been talking is about the morning routine. I hope that this morning routine, which you have started, has given you that advantage of at least starting the day right. Now, what has helped you in a certain fashion is that you started to believe that you can get up early morning at 6 o'clock, or technically before 6 o'clock, because 6 o'clock you are here, right? So what was that belief which brought you here early morning 6 o'clock? I'll tell you a story today. In the Olympics till 1954, it was a belief, or I would say before 1954, it was belief that one cannot run a mile in less than 4 minutes. It is not practical, not possible to run a mile in less than 4 minutes. And that was the belief, because nobody had run less than 4 minutes a mile. They would be saying that your lungs would burst, and this, that, you will collapse if you try to do that. And that belief system was not getting broken. Now, Mr. Roger Bannister came in and he was self-talking to himself. No, I can do this. I can do this. And everybody was saying, no, it is not practically possible. You are doing 4 minutes and 11 seconds. You cannot break the 4-minute barrier. Because of his self-talk, okay, I can do this. Roger Bannister was the first person to break the 4-minute barrier. He completed the race in 3 minutes 59.11 seconds. Now, in the same year, 27 other people had broken this 4-minute barrier. Now, what changed? What changed? It was basically the belief, and one could see, okay, if that person has been able to break the 4-minute barrier, even I can do the same. That belief that it is possible, that belief that yes, somebody can do that, even I can do so. And that is the most important thing.
Good morning, sir. Hope you are doing good, sir.
Okay, so that is very important, that you need to believe in the system of what you are going ahead with. And the most important thing what you need to do is you need to tell yourself. Remember Muhammad Ali, the boxer? Okay, what he used to say, you can see the clips in on YouTube sometime, and you find, I am the greatest, I am the best fighter. He was self-talking again and again. So that actually helped. Now, what did Roger Bannister was telling himself? I can break the 4-minute barrier. Now, this self-talk, what we technically do, most of the time we are negative. Most of the time we will say, no, no, yaar, I cannot do this. So when you say this, no, no, I cannot do that, that means you are indirectly telling your mind, boss, practically not possible, nahi hone wala hai. And that is what stops you from doing what you want to do. This is one thing which needs to be changed within ourselves. We need to self-affirm that I am good, I can do this. Whatever is your challenges, whatever is your challenges, if you keep on talking to yourself, you remember uh, in cricket also, there are some players, the cricketers, okay, they will keep on talking. Ane de, good, good, good. Hey, he will keep on shouting. Aisa karo, aisa karo, aisa karo. And he will say, okay, good, I can do this. He keeps on murmuring and thinking maybe positive. Okay, okay, whatever fast ball is coming in, I can easily hit a six. Whatever it is, he is pre-planning it and he is putting himself in that situation. Okay, no, I will be able to do this. So guys, it becomes very important that whenever we are talking, in fact, we are talking to ourselves even right now. While I am speaking to you, you are talking to yourself. Arey, aisa karna chahiye, arey, aisa karna chahiye. So this mind is not going to stop. In fact, the mind is again going to go here and there. Yes, but when you talk positive about yourself, the mind feel good about it. Yes or no? Think. Now, if you talk negative, then what happens? The mind will go to that negative route. Now, how is the ship being driven? How is the ship being driven? You will see huge ship and a small window on the top where the captain is there and the person steering it. But the engine is right down below where the controls and everything is there, right down below. Okay. Every time the captain wants to stop, go ahead, full speed ahead, everything is being spoken from that place and given instruction to the marine which are down below. Yes or no? Now, if the captain does the mistake, will the marine also be doing the mistake? So whatever instruction, whatever, wherever the captain wants to go, okay, he has to give the direction accordingly so that the marines can follow it. Stop. So immediately the marine needs to take action. Stop. Yes. Now they don't know. Marines don't know what is going on the top because they are confined to their engine room. Okay. आपने मूवी टाइटैनिक देखा होगा तो the captain is talking from the deck above and the machine is being controlled down below by the marines. Now put that analogy in this mind of yours. Now think in terms of your mind to be the marine which are doing this exercise, taking control. But who is actually giving the control? Who is actually guiding them? You yourself. Who is outside? So you are giving control to your mind. Must stop feeling afraid. Do this right now. Okay, and your subconscious mind, see, you are conscious because when you woke up, you became conscious. In your sleep, you were sleeping and you were dreaming, right? But when you woke up, you, as a conscious mind, you are awake now. So when you are awake, it is you who is driving the inner marine for your mind. Okay, so who is giving the control and who is controlling all the things? So one, there is a conscious mind and a subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is just a driver who is not having anything as in his own control. Means whatever you are going to program in the subconscious mind, that is getting programmed. But it is up to you, a conscious person, who will put in that program. Now, if you put in negative, the subconscious mind is getting the negative. If you put in positive, then the subconscious mind is getting positive. Now, you need to have that belief system. You need to have that continuous self-talk. Yes, I can do that. Yes, it is possible. Yes, I will be able to get up regularly before 6 o'clock and start my routine. Now, this is what happens. And your subconscious mind slowly and steadily get into that rhythm of, being in that particular mode, positive mode, affirmations. Yes, it is possible. But think about it. नहीं 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 मेरे से नहीं होगा. So who is saying this? You, the captain, who is out on that deck, and inside the mind is saying, okay, nahi hoga to nahi hoga, because he is not in control. The captain is. So your consciousness has to be in control so that you can control your subconscious. Okay. Now this is where the focus came into picture. How do you focus? But to be focused, you should definitely be speaking good about yourself. Now, what do I do almost on an everyday basis? Lift your hand up. Please lift your hand up, everybody. Yeah. And do this. It's a good day. At least I have started my day in a wonderful fashion. I got up early and I am over here. Pat yourself. Say good about yourself. Good, Mayur. You have done this. Good. You have been continuously doing this. Good. So this is what is very important. Okay. You are talking good. You feel good about yourself. And when your consciousness speaks good about you, okay, whatever the naysayers will be saying, not a problem. Okay, there will be people who are negative, because when you watch a movie, maybe the negative things will come in, so that you cannot stop, but you can avoid. Now watch a movie today. Just watch a movie today. Which movie you will watch? Bhag Milkha Bhag. Watch that movie today. It is available on the YouTube. And see the way that person is positive. In the last race, when Milkha Singh was about to go to his track, the Pakistani coach is telling him that ये आपकी रेस आखिरी रेस हो सकती है. And what does the Milkha Singh tells him? He says, दौड़ूंगा भी ऐसे ही. And what happens? He flies during the race. Just flies. Because that was his self-confidence. He was afraid to go to Pakistan because that is where his parents had been killed, and that is what he was afraid of. That is why he was not ready to go to Pakistan. And then he revisited that particular site before the race started, and he went out. He vented out. He cried, and he let go his fear. Lady hell, let it go. And he focused all his energy on the race day, and he won with flying colors. Just he was so effortless that he was being given a title, Flying Sikh. So that is what self-confidence is all about. You need to speak to yourself. Yes, yes, whatever profession you are into, whatever pain you are into, it will go away. Don't worry, it will go away. But you need to be positive on that. You need to speak about it. I have heard that even cancer patients, those who are really positive, okay, they are the one who are avoiding the last end. They come out of that. They come out of this. And this is what today's topic was, that you need to talk. Whenever you talk to yourself, okay, be positive. Say good about yourself. And whenever you do a good job, even if it is the smallest, nobody is looking at it, you tell yourself, you have done a good thing. Maza aa gaya. Okay, so guys, today is a holiday. And I know for sure that you all will be enjoying today. But market kal chalu hai. And a 500-point drop and then 200 points up move. That is wonderful. Okay, the cycle has maybe changed. So think about it. Study your charts and then be positive. Take action based on your system, whatever you are following. Okay, so I thank Vardhan ji, Angelo, Kunal, Nitin, and Tarunji for being over here. Thank you very much. I hope today's session was important and you will be more positive towards yourself. Okay, negativity तो दुनिया में है ही है, but in that negative world you need to talk to yourself and throw away the negativity. It will not go away. But when you keep on talking to yourself, keep on affirming that yes, I am good, yes, I will be able to do this, yes, it is possible to convert my laptop to an ATM machine. It is going to be 100%. I am sure about it. Whether it is a challenge of your health, whether it is challenge for your income, or whether it is challenge for you becoming a different person altogether, you are going to get out with a flying colors. So with this wonderful thought, I love you all. Take care. Corona se bachna. Be happy, yaar. Hasso. You have conquered the first time, the day, and you are going to conquer the rest of the day and the years to come by. Love you. Take care. This is Mayur Sampath signing off. See you tomorrow again at 6 o'clock with one more topic. Bye-bye.